Foraging for edible plants in the Midwest offers a rewarding way to connect with nature and enjoy fresh, nutritious food. However, it's crucial to forage safely and responsibly. Look for small, dark purple berries that grow in clusters. They're delicious raw, or can be made into jams and pies. Remember to only pick ripe berries. Recognize yarrow by its feathery leaves and clusters of white flowers. Traditionally, it has been used to treat colds and fevers. It's best consumed as a tea. Wild bergamot is easy to identify with its fragrant leaves and pink to lavender blooms. This plant can be steeped in hot water for a refreshing tea that helps with respiratory issues. Chickweed has small white flowers and lush green leaves, making it a great addition to salads or as a garnish. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. Don't overlook dandelion, purslane, and plantain. Dandelions are more than just weeds. Every part is edible. Purslane is a succulent with a tangy taste, great in salads. Plantain leaves can be used in a similar way to spinach. Always forage with a guidebook or an expert to avoid poisonous plants. Harvest sustainably by taking only what you need and leaving plenty behind for wildlife. Ensure you're foraging in areas free from pesticides and pollutants. Foraging is a wonderful way to explore the outdoors and find free, healthy foods. With the right knowledge, you can safely enjoy what nature offers.